Hey everybody, I am Abdul Wasif Khan and I am from Hyderabad. I am studying in Jawaharlal College of Engineering and Technology and I am doing a course of aeronautical engineering. I never had a chance of doing aeronautical engineering in Hyderabad. I came here to fuel my ambition of being an astronaut. And this was the best choice I could ever have because I had limited resources and I really needed an aeronautical college to study in. And this college has offered me a lot. All the teachers here are very capable, they are very well qualified. They helped me in many ways. Like the day I came here, I had a lot of insecurities, I had a lot of doubts, I was scared. I had problems with the language, I had problems with how will I get to know people, how will I communicate with them, what about the food, how will I eat, what will I eat, because everything is different here. But it's been 3 years I'm studying here and I can say this is a second home to me. I have settled very well here. All the teachers, they help me understand every aspect of my life and my studies. And rest, we have a lot of cultural activities here. We have a lot of tech fests. And I can proudly say that this college offers the best cultural activities that you can ever experience. And that's all. Thank you.